Hello everyone, happy World Organizing Day. It's a very exciting initiative that they're starting this year. My name is Adila and my business is Jigsaw Organizing Solutions here in Peterborough. And I just wanted to give you a little tip for today, and that is using what you have around the house to get your space organized. There's no need to buy all new sorts of bins and plastic containers and things like that. If you're just kind of starting out, I highly recommend seeing what is around the house that you can repurpose instead. You know, you might have a fruit basket that you can use to hold your clothespins or different things like that. This used to have strawberries in it. You can use old jars and containers. This was a veganized jar. Now is storing my oats on my pantry shelf. You can also use, Kleenex boxes to store plastic bags and stuff like that. And then some other kind of funky things that I've made over the years is some drawer organizers out of cracker boxes. And I just put some nice scrapbook paper on the inside just to make it look pretty. And I also made this shoebox, which is now a sort of wicker bin by wrapping some twine around it. So there's different things that you can do. It'll save you a lot of money. It's also good for the environment because you're using what you already have. And yeah, it's kind of just fun to get creative to see what's around the house. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi, it's Susan from Susie Homemaker. Here's a quick tip for you on World Organizing Day. Keep a bucket or a bag in your closet, and then when you have something that you put on but you really don't like and you keep taking it off and you don't ever wear it, throw it in the bucket. When the bucket's full, take it to the recycle store and let somebody else benefit from a piece of clothing that takes up room in your closet that you don't want to wear anymore. Happy World Organizing Day. Be safe.
Hi, this is Nicole from Organized by Design, and here's a tip for making your mealtime a little easier. Make sure when you come home from the grocery store that you wash and cut up all of your fruits and vegetables first before you store them in the fridge. That way when it's time to make a meal or grab a quick snack, everything's ready to go. It will save you 10-15 minutes every single day just by investing that little bit of time when you come home from the grocery store.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Smith. I'm the owner and operator of Recreate Space, and I'm super excited to be celebrating the first ever World Organizing Day today. And I'm here to tell you my #1 organizing tip, and that is sort and declutter before you try to organize. Effective organization is not just buying the pretty bins and boxes to put your stuff in. In order to effectively organize, you need to sort and declutter your items so that you're only storing the things you use and love. This ensures that your organizational systems are designed around those items that you use, and you're not just storing stuff that you don't use and need. So often, clients say to me, I have no space. But more often than not, it's because they haven't decluttered, and they're just storing stuff that they don't need or use. Remember, we only use 20% of the things we own.